Hi friends, welcome to the Biz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the community and also make Rotary seen. Biz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative. It's an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In Biz Talks, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions in the community. And their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, today we have a very special guest. A special guest with a special designation. Friends, we have a Rotarian with more than 15 years of Rotary experience from one of the most elegant clubs in Mumbai, and that is Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island. Friends, he is none other than Rotarian Bhupendra Shah. By classification, he is into clearing, forwarding and logistics. He says the last mile approach is his strength, and his strength is inclusive leadership. He believes in 4 Ds: dedication, determination, drive and discipline. Friends, according to him, these are the hallmark of his efficiency. With this small introduction, I present before you a Rotarian with a class of his own, a Rotarian with a lot of integrity, a lot of self-discipline. This Rotarian who has given a lot to Rotary, and today, by virtue of his level of work that he has shown in Rotary, he has been assigned the position, which is the second highest position in any district. He is one who is just next to the district governor. Yes, friend, Rotarian Bhupendra Shah is taking over as assistant governor in Vision Year 2021. Friends, my proud privilege to present in front of all of you, Rotarian Bhupendra Shah.
Hello, friends. How are you all? Good evening to all. This is Bhupendra Shah from Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island. I am assigned for a visionary assistant governor for 2021.
That's great, Bhupendra ji. And you have been allotted such a coveted position. And these type of positions don't just come like that. They come with lot and lots of hard work. They come only when you have been noticed over so many years doing such a lovely work. And that is the reason assistant governor post has been bestowed upon you. And this is an absolute stage of responsibility. And this is a responsibility because you are responsible for 4 to 5 clubs to help them, guide them and lead them to ensure that they become the finest clubs of District 3141 in Vision 2020. At the same time, as an assistant governor, you are the club's friend, philosopher and guide. And in this position, the bonding that you will develop with the president and with the club members is not for a year. It is here to last forever. So congratulations on achieving this coveted position.
Thank you.
I am sure you are going to do everything possible in your capacity to come out winners, not just for yourself, but for all the 4 clubs that are working with you. Bhupendra ji, now I have known you since a long time. We've seen each other and met each other in Rotary, worked with each other sometimes. But there are so many others who are going to be listening to this interview of yours, the Biz Talks. I would like you to tell us something about yourself in person and about your family life.
Thank you, Manish. Thank you for your kind words. Manish, I am Bhupendra Shah and I have joined Rotary in 2006, Rotary Club of Mumbai North Island. My classification is customs clearing, forwarding and logistic agents. From last 30 years, I am in this business. We have all multinational clients and we are doing well, mainly with the pharmaceutical and nutritional works in exports, imports, in all JNPT customs, air cargo customs, Mundra and Kandla. So this is my hardcore business. I'll tell all my friends that because of this line, I am a workaholic person. But I don't know, Rotary platform I found very useful, very connective. I get people connectivity with us. So I have joined Rotary in 2006. My wife, Asha, she is a homemaker and she is a executive committee member in Innerville Club of Mumbai North Island. I have one daughter, Kshama. She is a first she has completed biotechnology, then completed MBA in marketing, and then now she is teaching French online at Chennai. She is married to my son-in-law Chetan Matalia, and Chetan Matalia is the Gujarati Jain, and he is the person deputy commandant in paramilitary, and he is handling entire South Airport zone. So this is my family, small family, and we are all working very hard. We are very happy family. I'm residing at Juice Kim Villeparle, and my other activities is around the Jew area. So this is what about my personal thing. Yeah.
Lovely, lovely, Bhupendra ji. Good to know so much about you, your likings, the type of person you are, your family, your son-in-law. I'm so impressed by him. Bhupendra ji, the purpose of this interview today also is that we want Rotarians to start working with each other. Rotarians bond with each other, personal front and Rotary front. They work on the Rotary front with each other. They do projects. But what about business? What about profession? What about work? We have never tried to link Rotary and work together because we always feel we are here to give. But we are bringing about a small change in the thought process. We want Rotarians who trust so much in each other, who believe so much in each other, to start working together in businesses also. Today, if every Rotarian flourishes or sees that yes, they are doing good business also because of Rotary, they will come out and open and also will donate more to Rotary. So we are promoting working amongst Rotarians also. So for that, though you have told about your branch in brief, I would like you to speak another 2 to 3 sentences about what your work is about, what is your speciality, and we would be more than happy if after this interview there are many more people who approach you that they would like to work with.
Yeah. Basically, Manish, we are a customs clearing forwarding agent, and now it is called as a custom broker. So those companies, cargoes, they are exporting to out of India, and those who are importing to India, we are the mediator. We are the clearing agent in customs, airports, in docks, everywhere. So we have in short, we have an entire logistic business, everything under one roof, like including transportation, warehousing, clearing, labor, and transporting one warehouse to another warehouse. So it's short, Manish. I just wanted to tell you in one line that if you are booking, if you want to export anything from the Ahmedabad, Gujarat to New Jersey in USA, then we can arrange entire from door to door service from your factory to that particular receiving end. So this is entire logistic we do under our one roof. It's by name of SK Enterprises. My company is 30 years old.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
We also would like to know that suppose you have to support Rotary through your vocation, how would you like to do it?
Now, see, if people are those who are connecting with me in business and connecting with the club. So I have a lot of people, those who are involved in business also and in club also. So I go like, vocationally, that I arrange some meetings about Rotary awareness. I tell them that what Rotary does, and then I'm trying to attract people to the Rotary. So on that platform basis, I said people that, see, you come and see what Rotary do, what community service they do, what entirely that medical checkup now in COVID current year. See how many service that Rotary has given to the entire community in the Bombay, Maharashtra, everywhere. So you just come and see. So on this vocational basis, I try that I can give maximum awareness of Rotary to the non-Rotarians, to the non-community that not belongs to Rotary. So they can attract to Rotary, they can come to know that what is Rotary, because Rotary awareness is very much required nowadays. So that way we can attract more and more members. So this is the way I can coordinate with them.
I also feel that since you are into a profession of custom clearing, when Rotary clubs ask for equipments for donation outside, and Rotarians are doing global grants projects where we ask for imported equipment which are going to be imported in India, I feel even there, through your vocation, you will be able to help and support the clubs in some way or other.
Absolutely. In past, I have done many of my clients has imported some old clothes by container, by docks to in India, in Bombay, to distribute to the people in slums area. So that we have taken the entire project with the permission of government, and we have done this. Even in sometimes back, in Australia, the one of the person is find out the equipment which is announced. Indicates the natural calamities. So that imported equipment also we have cleared, and we have. Like that way, not only the clearance, but we have given that equipment with the awareness of Rotary. So that way we can, yeah.
Fantastic, Bhupender. Bhupender, now coming to your Rotary work, that in the year 2021 you have been given the responsibility of Vision Assistant Governor. Assistant Governor, you know, and you agree that it is a very, very important position, and you are the Karta Dharta for that club, those 4 clubs. You are their friend and guide. What are your plans for the year with those 4 clubs, and how do you plan to proceed ahead to come out absolute winners?
At outset, Manish, I wanted to thank visionary DG Sunil Mehra and his core team for giving me this such a valuable post. And along with the post, the most big responsibility also comes. So I accept these responsibilities. Main motto of this accepting responsibilities that firstly, I not only 4 club, but I want to spread maximum awareness about the Rotary to non-Rotarians and the community. And with this, the project, with the work, with all type of vocational services, I wanted to do all in entire area. So with the 4 clubs also, I am adjoining with them. And I am just finding that if any club has any weakness, like a member strength or something like that, nowadays our main motto is increase the membership. So I am helping them with the how to increase the membership, how to attend the membership seminar. So that way we can tell club presidents and the directors and all the Rotarians to increase the membership in our district 3141. That is our main motto. Secondly, we have to explain what is TRF. See, people don't understand. They still think that TRF is donation. I just wanted to explain that it is whatever you gave, you are taking back twice in the form of service, in the form of all community services and everything. So just to explain what is TRF, so that way we can increase the TRF fund. Thirdly, I just next that if it is like now Sunil, this time Visionary DG has so many thirst area project and VIP project, so that are very useful project. So with this, I can explain my club that if you come across with this project and bring more and more Rotarians, more and more awareness, so we can do better for the district 3141, especially in Visionary year. So this way I have taken up all the matters with not only 4 clubs, but wherever I go, I always do like this.
Bhupendraji, you have got some extraordinary clubs like Borivali and Divas. I'm sure your presence is going to make a difference. As an assistant governor dealing with the clubs, I'm sure it is going to bring out more out of you, also more in you as a person, as a Rotarian, and it's going to take you also to a bigger and better path in Rotary. Bhupendraji, speaking to you has been very inspiring. Speaking to you has been very motivating. And this program is not just going to be heard by our current year presidents, it is going to be heard by all Rotarians of District 3141. It is going to be heard by non-Rotarians also. And your talk has been so clear and transparent, your thoughts are so clear. I'm sure that the ones who are not associated with you also are going to benefit out of it. And there will be so many other non-Rotarians who will now, because of the type of work we are doing and getting inspired by you, get attracted towards Rotary. So thank you so much, Bhupendraji, for taking out time and coming on to our talk show. You have really blessed us by your presence. It has been a true pleasure to host you here. I have thoroughly liked it. Hope you also enjoyed your presence on this talk show.
Thank you so much, Manish. But before leaving, I just wanted to give a last message. Being an assistant governor of great Visionary district governor Sunil Mehra, that I just wanted to tell everyone in a single line that Rotary is the platform where people can transform them in high ethics value with peace and good morality. So I must say that Rotary is a good platform, and I tell every people that you must come and enjoy the Rotary. Thank you, Manish. Thank you very much.
चंद्र जी, आपने जो भी कहा, आपके words सीधा दिल से निकले हैं, तो वो हर एक को जरूर छुएंगे. Thank you so much once again. आपको मिलके बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you. So nice of you. Thank you.